So we recently released a print-on-demand app that lets anybody upload a model and then get a 3D print in about 3 to 5 days. And it has a really interesting use case of making D&D miniatures. So our new print-on-demand app is actually a really awesome option for printing D&D miniatures because it's very low weight and you don't have to worry about all the settings. It prints at a 0.2 resolution with a 25% infill, and any part that is uploaded is supported. So you don't have to worry about any of the print settings, making it really easy to use it if you're not really very familiar with 3D printing. So if you want to print D&D miniatures, you have the options of going either white, black, or going with gray, which allow you to have good base colors for anything that you happen to be painting. They are all printed with PLA, so you don't have to worry about the paint actually sticking to them, though you still recommend putting a few layers of primer on top of it in order to smooth out layer lines if you don't really like that look. Because even when you have a part like this, the texture itself might not be ideal, so you might want to sand it down a little bit. We are printing with the FDM process, which is a hot nozzle squirting out plastic, but since it's at a 0.2 layer height, which is about 2 thicknesses of a human hair, you generally don't have to worry about it too much. But it does have some limitations. This app is ideal for printing things like dice towers and terrain and various sorts of dice boxes and that kind of thing. But the thing to watch out for is you cannot go all the way down to miniatures themselves. You can't do really a character unless they're about 3 inches high, because things like small swords and stuff on very small 30mm miniatures are just too small to be printed with an FDM machine. But if you are wanting to 3D print a miniature, the way you can get it done is you can look on various websites like Thingiverse, My Mini Factory, Cults and Printables, and look for miniatures that you want to add to your collection. You can download those files, make sure that you have permission to have them printed, and then you can upload that file and have it printed. We will print out the part and ship it to you. It should arrive within about 3 to 5 days from whenever you make the order, and then you can unpack it and start prepping and finishing it. So we hope that this app is a really good resource for the hobby community out there who wants to print raw miniatures and not have to worry about any of the back end part of it. You can just grab the models that look really cool, upload them, and get the result. Have a great day, everybody.